On the global stage of economy, fasteners are far more than mere hardware. They are the bedrock of industry, the framework of construction, and the guardians of safety in every facet of work and life. They propel efficient collaboration and sustainable progress in worldwide manufacturing. Every coil of material, every product, every delivery fulfills a mission to connect the world, like precisely meshed gears driving the great vessel of global trade ever forward through the waves. Wuxi Ingks Metal Parts Company Limited is a renowned hardware manufacturer backed by more than 10 years of expertise. Certified by the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, we specialize in providing tailored solutions through our OEM and ODM services. This is where a reliable foundation begins for our clients. Our diverse production line enables us to meet a wide range of demands. We are meticulous in every detail, from raw materials to finished items. This is our guarantee of quality and our pledge to you. We hold every step to the highest standard. Your trust is what drives us forward. A dedicated quality team ensures every component fits the client's requirements. What we inspect goes beyond the product. It's our relationship, your trust, and our relentless pursuit of excellence. Our efficient logistics network guarantees all packages arrive on time and intact. From our hands to projects across the globe, our products are widely used in automotive industry, telecommunications and power, new energy, offshore engineering, machinery, marine and other industries. We actively participate in overseas exhibitions, steadily expanding our worldwide presence. Together with international partners, we are building a brighter tomorrow. Guided by integrity, expertise, efficiency, and innovation, we are committed to refining ever better products and services to customers worldwide. As a pioneering force in the global hardware trade, Wuxi Ingks keeps moving forward. Choosing us, you gain not just hardware, but a partner for a shared future. Guided by our mission to create highly precise and enduring metal parts, we are relentlessly pursuing our vision to become a globally recognized fastener solutions provider.